G'day pourers. I'm going to have another go at the milk paint pour because I wasn't very happy with the results I got from the other one. I'm going to do the same colours as the first photo I put up, which the milk paints are these that I got. I actually got some more today from, it's an art and craft. Cannot think the name of it, but they're folk art paint, so you may be able to get them off the internet. I'm going to use this Sweet Lilac, Farmhouse Ochre and Milky White. So they're all the folk art milk paints. So this is what I'm going to use today. So there'll be a milk made pour. Okay, and the only other paint I'm going to use is the Cool Red of Global. All of these paints I've done to, it's not a very thick consistency, but it's just like a pouring cream consistency. I've added nothing but Floetrol. I maybe put 1 part paint. So, well, I'll tell you what I did. I put about 2 centimetres of paint in this cup, and then I just slowly added the Floetrol till I got this consistency. So no silicone in this particular pour. So we're going to see, these were the exact same colours I used. So I'm going to see how we go with these. I will. Okay. Grab a cup. So this canvas is a 30 by 30 centimetre, I think it's centimetres, yeah. Okay, can't even see, yeah. 30.5 by 30.5 centimetre. These little canvases go really nice in these floating frames that you know, finishes them off really nicely. So this is just a floating frame. You can buy these and they're really expensive, or you can make them. There is videos on YouTube showing you how to make them. But if you haven't got your edges finished off nicely like this, they're ideal to pop in, and it covers a multiple of sins, and then you could just screw your canvas in there and it looks a lot neater at the back. So they're a really nice idea. This particular little one was a dip, but I'll go into that another day. It's just that I've done that for a person wanting it. So I'll start. Okay, sorry, I had to just check my camera because I'm thinking that my memory's full on the actual, so I'm having to be careful. My son did tell me to show me how to download stuff, but I'm going to wait till he comes. Anyway, I'll give it a go and see. Hopefully it doesn't stop, and I'll get a move on. Okay, at the bottom I'm going to, I like to just pour it in the sides. This is how I'm going to do this one. Just each of those 4 colours. I'm just using those 4 colours today because they came out such a success last time. So I'm just, okay, I'll go back. It's kind of like sunset colours, but I'm just randomly, like, I'm not really thinking about how I'm doing this. I just like to go by how I feel at the time. These paints do have a little smelly odour to them, but okay. I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm going to go just pour in the center. I'm not going to, well, I'm not going to say what I'm not going to do because I always seem to end up doing exactly the opposite, but we'll just go, just pour, see what kind of effect we get. Probably should have put a bit more white in, but I'm going to take it higher. Okay, there you go. So nothing too exciting about it so far, but I just gently tilted around the canvas. I'm not going to stress out about getting it over the edge because I can use some of the paint that I have there to go over the edges. Might just put some of this leftover paints on my corners. Got plenty of it, so a bit left in my cup too. I might pour over the corners. See what kind of effect they create. It's kind of obviously like the cloud pour, but it was a really nice effect coming there. Can tilt it further and see how we go. But yeah, I'm not going. I don't torch it. I just think it's comes up with a softer, interesting look without torching it. So as you can see, it's kind of developing as we speak, or as I speak, should I say. It's coming really quite nice. Probably got bit too much of the white circle there. Thinking I might just put a little bit of, might stuff it up now, which probably will, so I'm not sure. I was going to do something with this, but maybe not. Well, this is coming lovely. It's really nice. So it's a little bit closer for you. So that's what I'm calling my Milkmaid pour. So the last one I had, it's drying really nicely. I'll just grab it. I have obviously had a lot more of the ochre showing. So, oops. So this one's drying quite nicely. See, it develops as it sits there, but it's just another nice little technique for you to try. But that's coming quite lovely now. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. So that's another nice, yeah, that's really nice. That'll look gorgeous in one of those floating frames. Oh, hope that's helped anyone. I'll just give you a close-up and I'll put some photos of it as it's drying, let you know how it goes, but that gives you an idea how to do it. I will put this obviously on my YouTube channel and my Facebook art page, so if you would be so kind to subscribe, it's absolutely free. I'm not asking for donations, it's free. And if you can give me a thumbs up and no thumbs down, because just move on if you don't like it. So thank you, you lovely art pouring people. I hope that I can have helped you and help you along the way at different techniques that I do. Thank you very much for watching.